now we can see how to change the keyboard mode, means the way we can interact with the display. So as you know, by default, in order to activate the display in the mode that we call wake up mode, it's just enough to push any button for touch 1 second, and then if we want, for example, to activate the other buttons, let's say for example turn it off, it's enough to keep it pressed for 3 seconds. So normally in this way, one of the risks is that, for example, if someone just in an unwanted way push the on-off button for more than 3 seconds, he can switch on and switch off the control. Another way to avoid this case is to use a different keyboard mode called locked mode. This is a parameter that can be changed directly from the display. So it's just enough to press the config button for more than 3 seconds, enter the password, that is 22. Then you have to navigate to the configuration menu, C and F, and then until we find the parameter BM. This parameter, named keyboard mode, is the one that changes the behavior of the display. When we, for example, the default one that we see before is with the value set to 0. If we change the value set to 1, it will change the keyboard mode to the locked mode. So let's say yes, we ask. So now, for example, we changed the display. What does it happen if I touch the on-off button? You see, now it doesn't have any effect. It shows me the right lock, means that the display is locked and I cannot do any type of unwanted modification. In order to unlock the display, it's necessary to keep for 3 seconds the button configuration. You see that there are 3 dashes that appear, and now all the buttons are activated, and it's just enough to touch them to activate the button function.